In the annals of history, one name shines like a blazing star in the East: Genghis Khan. He was a man whose military brilliance and fierce determination carved out an empire that would span across continents. But what about the women who stood beside this formidable leader? How did Genghis Khan's daughters contribute to the legend of the Beast of the East? Genghis Khan, born as Temujin, rose from humble beginnings to become one of the most feared and respected leaders in history. His story is one of ambition, cunning, and an unyielding thirst for power, but it wasn't just his own prowess that made him the Beast of the East. Genghis Khan had several daughters, and while they may not have led armies or conquered empires like their father, they played a significant role in his life and the legacy he left behind. Genghis Khan's daughters were born into a world of conquest and warfare. They were raised in an environment where strength and cunning were virtues, and they witnessed their father's meteoric rise to power. Genghis Khan's daughters were instrumental in maintaining the unity of the Mongol Empire. They formed crucial alliances through strategic marriages, connecting their father's bloodline with other powerful clans and tribes. These marriages weren't just about love. They were about forging alliances and securing the loyalty of powerful allies. Genghis Khan's daughters were, in a sense, diplomats and peacemakers, working behind the scenes to solidify the empire's strength. It's important to note that Genghis Khan's legacy didn't end with his daughters. It continued through his sons and their descendants, who expanded the empire to even greater heights. The true power of Genghis Khan's legacy lay not only in his military conquests, but also in the ability of his family to maintain the unity of the empire he had built. So, while Genghis Khan's daughters may not have been the ones leading the charge on the battlefield, their role in forging alliances and preserving the empire's unity was indispensable. It was a combination of their strategic marriages and their father's genius that truly made Genghis Khan the Beast of the East. Thank you for joining us on this journey through history. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more captivating tales from the past. Until next time, remember, history is full of untold stories waiting to be discovered.